Hello. And today, don't you dare eat my mama's food. Fly. Anyway, the first.
Sorry, I gotta take my cup too.
Okay, first thing.
Stand up against the other cup.
Error, technical difficulties. There. Okay, so you want to get 2% milk. Honestly, 2% is my favorite. And you want to grab it, just shake it. Like, ooh, until it doesn't sound like a liquid anymore. Then, I want to take it and okay, so here's are the things you're gonna need. This, and this. Okay, so let's get them out of the set the cup. We're gonna take the cup and get some foamy milk. And then here I'm gonna take the Hershey's syrup, chocolate with cocoa in it. Only use that, or else your house would explode and the cops would arrest your entire bloodline for murder under governmental supervision. Anyway, you're gonna want to take the syrup and just pour it in there for about 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then you're gonna want to take your spinner and trust me, this thing spins. It spins. We're gonna put it in there, then just start it. Holy, that turned brown fast. Then, here's the best part. I've got one ingredient. I think we're out of that ingredient. Where's that ingredient? I need it so badly. Gone. Well, apparently it's gone. Well, add one small sugar cube of imperial sugar, and see that it used to be up to here. Now it's up to here. That's how much foam there is. Okay, and that's how to make chocolate milk. Goodbye.